Hello, everyone. Thank you for downloading the CEO dashboard. I'm super excited for you, and I hope this helps you manage your business better. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump in and show you how to get yours set up. I'm going to explain it and then show you how to get yours set up so you can start using it. So, this is what you should be seeing with your download. So, the way this is set up is we have example data, and we have a section for you to be able to use it and set up your own dashboard. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this real quick. So, we have this tab here, which is the sales data example. This is all de-identified fake data, but it is based off of an actual real company that we did some work for. This here is your pivot table tab. You're going to have to come into this a little bit and not make any modifications to the pivot tables, but to refresh the data. And I'll show you that in just 1 second. And here is the dashboard. So within the dashboard, we have these 4 KPIs up here. These are KPIs that our client wanted to help kind of keep a pulse on their business. We also built their total sales month over month, year over year, as well as net profit month over month, year over year. And one of the things that the CEO wanted with this company is they wanted to understand what the labor costs were per job that they were doing. And so we brought that data in for them as well. So over here is how you slice and dice. So we have a year filter. So to be able to use it, basically just click on the year that you want to see, and it'll filter all the data. And if you wanted to unfilter, then you just click on that and it removes that. You also have a date filter here. So if you wanted to only look at January 2022, you could do that as well. And then you just delete that. Remove that. And then if you wanted to look at the different job types and you wanted to look at multiple job types like side by side, you'd click this little icon here. And let's say we want to look at basement remodels and full house finishes. So this is showing side by side what that data looks like for both basement remodeling and full house finishing. Okay, and then to remove that, you just click that to remove the filter. And if you only wanted to look at just one area, say just full house finishes, then you would just click it like that. Now you're only looking at the one. Okay, so that's the quick explanation of the dashboard and how it works. So now let's look at what you would have to do to get yours set up. So you want to start here on the sales data. We have some dummy data in here. But what you'd want to do is you want to delete all the data except for these ones that are highlighted with orange. These have formulas in them and you don't want to delete those. So basically, you would just want to delete all the data that are not in the orange columns. So let's just say that you did that. Now this was your data. Let me show you how you would do this. So you would basically click on that cell, hold your shift button, click here, and then just drag this down as far, let's say you're adding 2 more records. It's going to pull those formulas in for you. And we'll do the same over here. Okay, and for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to use the same data. We're going to copy that in there. And as you can see, that formula updates. We're going to, whoops, we don't want to do that. We're going to grab this and we're going to put that there. And as you can see, those formulas updated and that error went away. And we're going to do that. Okay, so now that you have your data in here, you have to refresh the pivot tables so that your dashboard gets updated. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the pivot table. You can be in any of these pivot tables, doesn't matter which one, but just make sure you're clicked on one of those. If you're not clicked on those, you'll see that you don't get the pivot table option. So if you click here, go to Pivot Table Analyzer, go to Refresh, and click Refresh All. What that does is it brings in all those 2 rows of data that we added. And when you come over here to the dashboard, it will now be updated with your data. And this works exactly like the other one does. You can filter on year, remove the filter. You can filter on the different job types. You can remove them. Same thing. All works exactly the same way. Well, I hope that you get some benefit from this CEO dashboard. We love helping small businesses, and this is just one of our areas that we help different small business owners is around their data and analytics, really understanding the data behind their business and making sure that they're making the best decisions that they possibly can. If you need additional KPIs or data in this dashboard, let us know, and we'd be happy to help you. We hope you have a good day and hope you enjoy using the CEO dashboard.